Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Reels here, and we back with another video. And today, finally came in the mail a couple days ago. I'm going to install my Kingston Fury 2 terabyte SSD.
Game time, game time, game time, game time, game time. Gaming with Reels. Game time, game time.
As we all know, that PlayStation 5, and that's what this is for, my PlayStation 5, I have some storage issues, you know what I'm saying? Especially with games coming out, like Call of Duty, Modern Warfare 2, about to drop 100 gigabytes minimum, God of War, 100 gigabytes minimum, all these wonderful games that's coming out here in the years and the dates to come. It's gonna have a lot of storage to play them. And as far as myself, I love actually storing my content as well. I got an external hard drive to an extra one, but I mean, it just makes it easier. I don't have to play and delete games. I get to, especially when you got all these wonderful DLCs, it makes it easier to maintain games longer. But yes, sir, here we go. Yes, ma'am, let's get it. Going to install this. Now, I definitely want to let you know real quick. I thought they had a built-in heat sink, but it's technically a heat spreader. And so what that means is it like spreads the heat, right? So it's not really like just cooling it. It cools it down a little bit, but it spreads it. And I did read new articles on as far as it's saying that a heat sink will be needed or recommended for it. And the reason I got this is because I'm gonna show a little caption here to show y'all that this is, I mean, it's nice. It's one of the fastest performing that I've seen on this article, as far as with speeds, right speeds, being able to play your games the fastest. However, it just costs the most. And I've been doing some bargain shopping, and I actually found this for a great price, cheaper than the other prices of some of the other SSDs that's mentioned on this list. Got it from Newsegg. I will drop a link below, and also Kingston have them a little bit cheaper. I dropped that link below as well. I seen it was I got it for $203, and then I think it was on their website for like $194, $196 or something like that. But I'll drop the link below. But yes, sir, we finally got it. I'm gonna definitely go ahead and get this installed. Let me show you real quick the heatsink as well. Here goes the heatsink. I already unboxed it. Just looking at it. Comes with this nice little screw, which is pretty dope. Screwdriver. I said screwdriver, which is going to help. And the reason I got this one, as I told you, the SSD, it does spread. It has a technology that spreads the heat. And this is a heat sink that actually goes on the cover of your PlayStation where your SSD goes. So this is a heat sink that seems pretty dope. It has tons of reviews. I got this off of Amazon, 5-star reviews. I'm gonna drop that link below so y'all can see that as well. But yeah, I mean, it's definitely nice quality. It comes with some wonderful instructions. Let me show y'all that as well real quick. Sabrent, that's the name of it, by the way. Sabrent Heatsink for PS5 consoles. As you see, high performance aluminum heatsink. And that's what I was explaining to you as far as how it works. And it's I mean, wonderful instruction manual. We're gonna go ahead and actually get this installed here on the PlayStation 5. Love the color, love the color. But yeah, that's that. So let's go ahead and get this on the PS5. I'll be back with the PS5 here shortly. All right, so we're back with the PlayStation. Now, I did already I have the stand on this side, so I already removed the stand. And basically, you want to make sure that you have the cover with try to look this up, the hard drive, so your disk drive, my bad, facing, I just like it face on the outward, that way it makes it a little easier for me. Because what you're gonna do is you're just gonna slide up on this. And yes, this is a DBRAND. As you see, I have this cooling fan. This is a DBRAND dark plate. I'll drop a link for this description as well. I'm gonna have a lot of links. To show you where I got this from, I like it because of the fan. Helps keep my system cool. You know, with the PS4, they like to take off after you had it a while. But you just pop that up like this on this side, you just slide it. And here we are, where this is right here. That's the SSD slot. So I'm gonna turn it around and we're gonna go ahead and try to install it. Get it installed. All right, so we're gonna actually install the SSD into this part right here. And like I said, we got the Fury SSD card right here, 2 terabytes. That's going in there with the Sabrent Heatsink on top. And they supply us with this handy dandy screwdriver. I'm gonna go ahead and use this screwdriver that they supplied us with to get this cover off right here. Let's go ahead and get that going. It's only pretty tight, but it is coming off. There it is. Sorry, I had to block the cam. I had to use my muscles. My muscles. All right, we got the screw out. We're just gonna place that on the side so don't lose it. Pop this cover off. Bada boom, bada bang. And we have this screw right here. Did y'all see that? That one right there. So we're gonna unscrew that. That's nice that they supplied this one screwdriver to do all the work. I feel like I'm stripping. I gotta go right hand real quick, you guys. They have this in here tight, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, it's actually, it fits, it's in there tight. Hold on, let me try to get that screwdriver real quick. All right, I had to go get a screwdriver with a bigger handle. But we're getting it out. Showing you guys just everything. So we're screwing that screw out. And we got this little spacer right here. And basically, we're gonna make sure it's in the appropriate spot for our SSD. So I'm just gonna kind of place it in there just to see. All right. For this SSD, we're gonna place it in this one right here. So that's gonna pull our little spacer down on that 80 to 80 slot. And we're gonna place our SSD. So we're gonna basically lift it, have it at an angle, and that goes in there one way, Fury facing up. At least it looks like one way. You just slide it in, as so. You just place it down like that. And yes, your SSD is gonna be covered in half of that circle. That way your screw can make sure it's in there and have your SSD secured. And we're just gonna screw it down. All right, it's tight now. That thing not going nowhere. And next, sorry for the dog barking. It says right here, please peel off film before use. I'm good at following directions, so let's peel that off. And here is the heatsink. We'll go ahead and install that. As you see, my PlayStation is kind of clean. I just want to let y'all know it's pretty clean, huh? But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and just tilt that and place it in there. Place it down like that. Make sure it's in there all the way. There we go. And we're gonna get this handy dandy screw. Put it in there in our normal screwdriver that we started off with. And screw it down. All right, there it is. Got it installed. Just like that, we have the heatsink installed. Now, go ahead and put the cover on, hook it back up to the PlayStation, and I'll do my best to show you the next steps. All we have to do is basically format it, and we're there.
Game time, game time, game time, game time, game time. Gaming with Will. Game time, game time, game time, game time, game time. Gaming with